Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. So in this video I will be talking about support and resistance in Forex trading. So if you have been going into the Forex trading now as a newbie and you are just maybe trying to start up, or you're having issue with knowing the support and the resistance level, this video will explain everything for you in details. This is the only video you need to understand what is support and what is resistance level. I promise you, if you stay to the end of this video and you don't understand what is support and resistance, don't watch my video again. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you right now on the chart. So look at the chart right now. Let's just see it and do it by ourselves. So look at this chart. So right now we are on Great Britain pounds GBP USD, which is what Great Britain pounds USD, and we are in 1 hour time frame. So this can be applied to any time frame, so it's not limited to maybe the particular time frame. It's not limited to any time frame, so it can be happening in any time frame. So once you come to this place now, and remember this is a TradeView account, you can start up your TradeView. Maybe I also do a video on how you can be able to do to register on TradeView account and get your account set up for you. So all you need to do, once you come to this place, go to the horizontal line, select the horizontal line, then the line will come out, then you place the line. As you can see, I just placed the line here. So once I take this line now, look at where I'm taking it to the highest place. I'm taking it to the highest point. This highest point now, we will call it what? We call the highest point our what? Resistance. Why are we calling it the resistance? Because it's more like this is doing something nice. So why do we call this place the ceiling or the resistance level? This resistance level is just like the ceiling, in the sense that whenever the market goes there, it will bounce back. You understand? So that is what we call the resistance. It's able to resist the market. It's able to resist that force that is coming. So then the support level. Let's take the support level. Let's run this. I hope you are getting what I'm doing, because I will still give you a more in-depth explanation, but just understand it that the resistance level is more like a ceiling, while the support level is more like the floor. So that is the simplest way to just give you this analysis. The resistance level is what? The ceiling. Let's just say, for instance, now you are trying to jump and you hit your head on the wall or on the top of the ceiling, you definitely come back. But if you jump from the ground becomes what? The support level, because it's the ground that is holding you. So I'm trying to give you the support level at this. This place now can be our support level. This place we are now can be our support level. So let me take it to also here. There can be many support, but there is always one resistance. Note this. Write this down. There can be always as many support level, but there can only be one resistance level in the market. So there will always be one resistance market level in the market. Okay, let's say for instance now, let's take this up. Okay, so why drawing your support or your resistance level? There's what you look at. Number one, now in this my support level, there are up to 3 or 4 places that touch on it. So what we look at for is what? How many touches? It should not be less than two touches on it. So you can see here now, you have 1 touch, you have 2 touch, you have 3, you have even 4, 5. That's our support level. And then if you come to this our resistance level, if you check from this place now, let me zoom in. You check from the previous places of the market, you see that there was a place it also touched. So that is what the support and resistance. Let me just give you for the final time. The support level is the level just like the floor level where the market moves. Then the resistance level is the level at which the market is able to do what? To reach and bounce back to the ground. The ground becomes what? The support level. Then the resistance level becomes the ceiling. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe, share this video, and also comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.